This is Dr. Vijay with you. This video illustrates creating isometric drawing in 2D AutoCAD drafting 2. Let us see how to draw the isometric drawing. I'll share my screen. Hope you will see now. Yes. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the isometric drawing. The isometric drawings have all three dimensions. Like you have the length, you have the height, you have the width. Therefore you have all three dimensions. Now I'm going to show how to draw this isometric drawing in AutoCAD by using 2D drafting tool. Okay, let us see. First you open the new drawing, and then as usual go to format, go to the units. First you set the unit. I'm going to set the unit millimeter, and okay. Again go to the drawing limits, go to format and drawing limits, and type the drawing lower limit 0,0 and upper limit 420, 297. Okay, then you can keep zoom all and type all. Okay, now you will see this screen. Actually, if you draw any line in this screen, you can see it will draw. If you use the ortho mode, you draw only the vertical or horizontal lines. The lines will be only vertical or horizontal. Okay, you don't see any changes. But in the isometric drawing, you can see isometric drawing, this line and this line all are different inclination. Actually, this line will be from the horizontal surface. This is the horizontal surface. From the horizontal surface, this angle is 30 degree. Similarly, if you draw the horizontal line, this angle is 30 degree. Okay. Therefore, all the angles will be 30 degree each other, and this line is vertical. This line is vertical line. These three different lines we require. For that, you cannot do every time 30 degree accurately. We have another option called isometric snapping. Go to the snap mode. First you have to go to the snap mode on the bottom toolbar and go to the snap setting. Go to the snap setting. This is very important. Without snap setting, you cannot draw isometric drawing in the 2D drafting of AutoCAD. Go to the snap setting. Okay, here we have snap setting. Then go to the isometric snap. Here, this is isometric snap. By using this isometric snap, we can draw the drawings. Isometric views you can draw. After selecting the isometric snap, click OK. And you can see now the squares are now inclined. It looks like isometric squares. Now if you draw any line, let us say if I draw any line, you can see either it will be vertical or inclined. All this angle will be 30 degree inclination. This angle is 30 degree from the horizontal. This is vertical line. This is also 30 degree from horizontal. Therefore we can see the angle. Similarly, if you want to draw the line this side, if I want to draw from here line the other side, only it is showing only two directions, then you have to go to the function key. See the function key in the Windows system. Go to the F5. You just click F5. You just press F5 and you can change the direction. You can see there is a change in direction. By using this, you can draw the other two views. See, you can draw these views. Okay. And again, if I want some other views, then you can also use this. Okay. Like this, you can draw the orthometric or isometric views. I'll delete this. Now, you are clear. First, you have to go to the snap setting. Then you have to use the ortho mode. After snap setting, you have to use the, just go to snap setting, use the isometric snap, then click OK. Then you have to use the ortho mode. By using this, you can draw the isometric views. And don't forget, you need to press function key F5 for changing the orientation of line. Now first drawing I'll use this one. Okay, very simple drawing I'll use. Here what is the length? We have 84. The height is 52 and the width is 32, and here also this is 32, here 24, here 14. All the dimensions are given. We will use the same thing to draw in AutoCAD. I'm going to draw here. First, what is the length? We have 84. So from here I'll draw 84. And what is the height we have? You can see 52. Therefore 52, and also same 84. Okay, and this height given 14, and this side it is given 32, and here we have 24. You can see 24, 14 we have drawn. Now 24, this is 24, and this is also 32, and then join. Now you can see we have drawn the front surface. This surface we have drawn. Now let us see how to draw this surface. Here the width is 32. Therefore from here, the other side it is not possible here, then press function key F5. F5 if you press, it will change the direction. Therefore 32, and again I want other side, therefore press again F5. This is 84, and then we can use this. Now you can see we have drawn the top surface. Okay, we have drawn this top surface. Now I need to draw this one. Let us see how to draw. From here the height is 14. Press F5 and type 14, and then join this. I have drawn this. Similarly I have to draw here. Go to F5 and change the orientation, type 32 and height 14, and then join. Okay, we have drawn now. Again from here I have to use this function key F5 and use the other side 32. Similarly from here 32. Now you can see here at this portion we have something additional to the one which we see here. You can see this point. Okay, this front surface we need to cut these two lines. This line and this line we have to cut. For that you have to go to the trim tool. Go to the trim tool and select the line, this line, and press shift and then select another line. Then press enter, delete these two. Now we have completed our drawing. You can see same thing we have drawn, exactly same thing we have drawn here. Okay, this is how we have to create the isometric view. Now I'll create another isometric view of this drawing. Here we have a hole also. This is a rectangular hole we have. The rectangular hole is of 30 by 10. Okay, now we'll see how to draw this picture, this isometric drawing. Here we have the length of 70, and this height is 17, and this height is 18. And what is this length? What is this length? Do you see here 70 and here 50? Remaining how much? 70 minus 50, 20. Therefore we have this side 10 and this side 10. Okay, now we will draw this. I'll show you how to draw this. From here I will draw this side 70 and height. Just you press F5 so that it will change the height. 17, and this side 10, and height is 18, and this side 50, and this height is 18 and this side 10 and then close. Okay, now we have drawn the front surface and you have to draw this top surface, this one and this one. We will draw this top surface. What is the width? Here you have 30. Therefore, draw the line from here. I'll press F5, then I'll type 30. And what is the height? It was 17. Join. Similarly, we can draw from here, this side it is 30 and then join these two. The same way you can draw all others. From here 30 and join. And again you can draw the line 30 and join. And similarly from here you have to draw this side 30. But we have the extra line. You can use the trim tool. Then trim. Okay. Now we have drawn the entire structure except this rectangular hole. This rectangular hole, you can see here 70, here 30. Therefore 70 minus 30, 40. That means you have some distance from here to here 20 and from here to here 20. Therefore I will draw from here 20 and the height, you can see height is 10 from here. Okay, from the bottom it is 10 millimeter high. Therefore I can draw the line and just you drag and 20 try, then from the here top 10. Okay, now this is the point where we start. This point I have identified, this point I have identified. From here I will draw the rectangle. From here, just what is the height? Height is 10 and I'll just press F5 so that direction will be changed. 30 and again F5, 10 and join this. And this is not required, therefore we will delete. Again there is one line missing here. You can see this line is missing. I'll draw this from here and function F5 and then draw. Now I need to cut the extra. If I go to the trim, select and delete. Finish. Very simple. Do you understand? This is one we have completed here. Now I'll show how to draw this one. Okay, I'll show how to draw this picture. It looks little complicated, but it is simple. And I'm not going to draw the orthographic view. I'm going to draw only isometric projection. Only this projection I am going to draw, isometric view. Okay. Now here, what are the dimensions given? What are the dimensions given? You can see this is 60 and this is 40. Then remaining this side 10, this side 10. Okay. And what is the height? 20. First I will draw this front surface. The front surface I will draw. I'll start here. You can see from here I'll draw. I'll just change direction. This direction I need to draw 10. And what is the height? Height is given here. You can see this is total 20 and therefore this height is 10. Sorry, this height is 10 and this side we have 40. This side 40 and height is 10 and this side is 10 and height is 20 given. This height is given 20 and this length is 60 and then join. You can see now I have drawn this front surface. This surface I have drawn. Next I will draw this. Okay, 40 and 60. From here I need to change the orientation, therefore F5. This is 40. And what is the height? This height is 60. Therefore 60. And this side, what is this thickness? You can see this thickness 15. This thickness is 15. Therefore this side 15. And what is this length? You can see here 60, and here we have already gone 20. Therefore remaining 40. For the down, you have to down 40 and finish. I have done this. Okay, and I will draw this line also. This line is same as 60 here. Therefore from here just change the orientation. This side I can draw 60 and I can join this. Therefore this surface is also drawn. Now I'll draw this surface. Here it is 55. Therefore go to, from here just F5 and you can type 55. Okay, and I can change the direction, F5, and this side we have 50. Okay, you can see this and this I have drawn. Okay, and then you have to draw, I can change this direction. What is this length? 45. So from here 45. Similarly I can draw from here also, same 45, and then join these two. Okay, now we have drawn this surface and this surface also drawn. I need to draw this surface. I can just join these two lines. Okay, join these two lines. Similarly from here to here. Now we have drawn this surface also. This surface is also drawn. Now what is pending? Here almost everything we have drawn except this hole. You can see this hole and this hole. Two holes are pending. This hole diameter is 20. Now I will show you how to draw the hole here. Okay, in this surface I need to draw this circle. This is the hole. But hole here, it looks like an ellipse. It looks like an ellipse. Therefore we'll see how to draw this. Okay, actually isometric view, the hole or circle will not be looking like a circle. It looks like a ellipse. Remember that. Okay, but the orthographic view you can see this is a circle, but here it is not. In the isometric view it looks like an ellipse. Here the diameter is 20, that means radius 10, and where it is placed, it is exactly center. Okay, from here, from this point 30, and from here what is the size? It's not given, therefore we will take it as a 20. Okay, therefore from here the side 30 and the height I am saying it is a 20. Okay, this is the center point. I am just locating a center point of the circle. Now please observe carefully. Now I am going to draw the ellipse, because in the isometric drawing it is looking like a ellipse. Go to the ellipse. Okay, go to the ellipse, and then you can choose either one, axis end or center. You can choose either one. I will choose axis end. Okay, now here if you draw only ellipse like this, it will not draw. See, it will draw in any direction. It will not look like ellipse. I will show you what to do. If you choose this ellipse, you can see iso circle. You can see the option here, iso circle. This refers isometric circle. In the isometric view, we can draw isometric circle by using iso circle option. Just to select iso circle and click here, you can see now same ellipse you can draw. Okay, same size. I can draw ellipse. What is the radius or diameter? If it is diameter given 20, then choose the diameter here. You can see the comment box. You can choose the diameter and type the diameter 20. Finish. And I can delete this. Later I can delete. Okay. Similarly here you can see this is 12.5. This is 12.5. Okay. Now I need to locate the center. from here, just you press F5, and this distance is 12.5. Okay, now this is the center. From this center I need to draw the circle. Here also this is ellipse. Okay, but it will be little bit different. You can see I am going to choose the same ellipse. If I choose draw the ellipse, it will not come. Therefore, go to ellipse and choose iso circle. Please don't forget this. You have to choose iso circle. Select iso circle and select the midpoint. See, now it is coming like different. It is not exactly same as this. Okay, here the ellipse is this side, but here it is different. Therefore, you need to press F5. If F5, then it will come correctly. This is the isoplane top. You can see this command box, isoplane top. For we are going to draw top view. What is this? Diameter 10. Therefore, choose the diameter, and diameter is 10. Finish. I can just delete these two marking lines. Now we have completed this drawing. You can see same drawing. We have completed with this circle. Okay. With this circle, we have completed this drawing. This one and this one, both we have completed. This is how you have to draw the isometric views. Now I'll show you some more isometric views, and I can show you how to draw. Which one you want to choose? You choose anything, I can draw. If you want to choose something little bit difficult also, I can draw. Okay, I'll show you how to draw this shape. Okay, this is looking little complicated, and I will show you how to draw this isometric view. I just increase the size, and this one I will draw. Okay, here this is 60, this is 24, and this is 13. Okay, and what is this? Height is 10. Okay, I'll draw this here. From here, this is 60, and just press F5. What is the height? 24. For 24, and this side we have 13. For 13, and this height is 14, and this one you can see remaining. We have 13 minus 60. How much? We have already 60, and here 13. Therefore 47. This side 47, and then join this. Now we have drawn the front surface. This surface we have completed. Now we'll complete the other one. Okay, I'll complete this first. Okay, we'll see how to draw one by one. First, I'll complete this surface. Here, what is this surface shows? You can see here it is 10. Height is 10, and this length is 13, and this height is 10. Okay, and what is this size? Total 32. It's total 32, and you have 14. 32 minus 14. How much? No idea? 18. 18 means this side 9 and this side 9. Okay, therefore I can draw from here. Just press F5. This side 9, and height is 10, and finish. Similarly, this line I will draw now. 13. From here, press F5 and type 13, and this direction, this one is 14. This side 14, and this side 13, and height. Just press F5, and height we know 10, and then press F5. Here we have 9, and height is 10, and finish. We have drawn this surface and this surface. I'll create this surface also now. For that, press this, press F5, and this direction we need 13, and this direction just you make a little bit longer, and then draw the line, this vertical line also. I'm going to draw this vertical line. So from here to here, vertical. Now you can see something additional we have. You can use the trim tool to cut. Trim, select cutting edge, then enter. Next you select. Okay, now we have completed this portion. This portion is over. Now I'll draw the other side. This line I'll draw. Okay, this is actually same length. Therefore from here I'll draw 60. I'll draw 60. Later, what we need to draw, you can see this line. Okay, I will draw this line. What is the total length of the line? 32. Therefore, from here, I'll draw 32. And what is the height? This height is 24 minus 10. This is 10. This is 24. Then remaining is 14. So if you just press F5 and come down, 14, it will meet. Okay. Next, we can also draw this line. Okay. Now, what is the distance given from here to here? Anything given? Nothing. Here only 10. Okay. Here we have 32. Then what is remaining? 32 minus 10, 12. 12 means from here 11. This line is 11. Therefore, I can draw this line 11. From here, press F5 and draw 11 millimeter. And then I can draw this line. This line I have drawn. Now I have drawn this line. Next I will draw this one. And what is this length? This length is total 35 given. For from where it is 35. So given there is some gap, isn't it? Don't have exactly the dimension here. Therefore, I can choose some distance. From here to here we have 13, therefore 10. I'll put 10. Well, just you press F5 and 10. Okay. And what is the height here? This height I need. This height, the total height is 20. This height is 20. But from here to here, what is the height? 14. Okay. Therefore, 14 here 20. Therefore, remaining 6. Go to the F5 and type 6. And then what is this dimension? 10. This side 10. Okay. And this direction 35. Press F5 and this side 35 and this side 10. I'm going to this side 10. Okay, now I have drawn this surface. This surface is drawn. Now here it is 20. Therefore, from here I'll draw 20. Just press F5, draw 20, and this direction 10 and height 20. Okay. Now you can see here we have to draw some line. Therefore, just draw the line from here. Draw the line. We don't know exact length because this line length is, I think we have already calculated 32. Here 10 means 22. Therefore, this is 22. I think 11 for this length from here. lemon. Okay, now I need to join this line. And here just to select F5 and join this. Similarly, you can join this. Okay, now you can see remaining what you have only this portion. I can draw this now from here the side 13 and you can join here. I can just trim this. Click enter, trim this. You can see this, and similarly height also. From here just press F5 and height. Now I can also delete this. Just cut. Go to the trim tool. Press the cutting edge. And here I need to do some more trim also, because you can see this line here. What are the lines we don't need? You have to trim. Okay. Just you choose the cutting edge. Enter. And trim this one. Similarly, I don't need this. Okay, I can delete this and similarly trim this one, delete this and trim this one, trim this, similarly use this. And again you have to trim this also, use this cutting edge. Now almost done. You can see same drawing we have completed. Okay, you can see this same drawing we have completed here. So this is the technique to draw isometric view. This is the technique to draw isometric view. Hope it is clear and this video is much useful for you. Thank you.